Peace. There are 4,700 banks in America. Out of that number, there are only 21 black-owned or black-led banks. Taking our number of the population to be, at the low count, 13%. We are more than that, but just taking that as a lowball amount of our population is 13% of the American population being black. That's lowball, like I said, we are much more than that. Does that mean that we should have 611 banks instead of 21? 611. And those 4,700 banks, all the bankers altogether, the total asset is $20.3 trillion. And the 21 black-owned or black-led banks is just $5 billion. But if we were equal in financial assets, it would be $2.68 trillion in black-owned or black-owned banks, which would be 611, as I said, with asset of $2.68 trillion. Now that is almost an insurmountable obstacle to surmount. The only way we could do that, and I will tell you, immediately, we don't have that much time. I mean, like immediately. Is for us to receive $14.7 trillion in reparation, which is owed us. It's not a gift. That money is owed us. With that $14.7 trillion to every if we call FBA or ADOS, Foundational Black Americans or Americans Descendants of Slavery, whatever name you call it, you know who we are. With that $350,767 each, we can contribute 20, if we save 20% of that in the black-owned banks, just 20, we should save at least 20%. It's a low amount, and not spend it all, giving it all back. That will give us almost $3 trillion in the black-owned banks, which will further finance other black businesses. And on and on. We will be the richest people in the world, amount of riches. And that has to be done immediately, and that's the only way we can expect the white banks to bail us out of that. We would never surmount that obstacle by donations or handouts or just do good from the corporation and our right-owned banks. No, we have to have our reparation. And like I said, it had to be done immediately, even yesterday, for us to surmount that momentous obstacle.